The AT&T TL88102 Plus 5 TL88002 cordless phone system is a powerful solution for managing communication across your home or office. With its two-line support, you can handle multiple calls simultaneously, making it ideal for busy environments. The system utilizes DCD 6.0 technology, which ensures superior sound quality and extended range, minimizing interference from other devices. The set includes a TL88102 base unit, which comes with a built-in digital answering system. This feature allows you to capture voicemails and missed calls without needing a separate answering machine. Accompanying the base unit are 5 TL88002 cordless handsets, which provide the convenience of communication throughout multiple rooms, enhancing connectivity and flexibility. Advanced features such as caller ID, call waiting, and call transfer are integrated into this system, making it easier to manage calls and stay organized. Whether you need to screen calls, handle multiple conversations, or transfer calls to another handset, the AT&T TL88102 Plus 5 TL88002 system supports your needs with efficiency and clarity. This setup is not only practical, but also ensures that you remain connected and in control, whether at home or in a business setting.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.